Hello farmers, welcome to episode 1 on fish farming. Today we will be talking about basic principles on fish farming. In many parts of the world, fish have provided an important part of people's diets for centuries. During the last 100 years, fish catches have increased rapidly due to technological improvements including more powerful engines and sonar equipment. Despite the fact that growth in fish catches stopped some 15 years ago, overfishing had already caused the worldwide decrease in stocks to become a real problem. The need to increase fish production by fish farming is urgent. The term aquaculture involves all forms of culture of aquatic animals and plants in fresh, brackish and salt water. Aquaculture has the same objective as agriculture, to increase the production of food above the level which would be produced naturally. As in agriculture, fish farming techniques include the removal of unwanted plants and animals, their replacement by desirable species, the improvement of these species by crossbreeding and selection, and the improvement of food availability by the use of fertilizers. Fish farming can be combined with agriculture, animal husbandry, and irrigation practices which can lead to a better utilization of local resources and ultimately to higher production and net profits. This practice is called integrated fish farming. Advantages of fish farming. Fish is a high-quality animal protein provider for human consumption. A farmer can often integrate aquaculture into the existing farm to create additional income and improve water management on the farm. Fish growth in ponds can be controlled. The fish species raised are the ones the farmer selected. The fish produced in a pond are the owner's property, they are secure and can be harvested at will. Fish in wild waters are free for all and make an individual share in the common catch uncertain. Fish in a pond are usually close at hand. Effective land use. Effective use of marginal land, e.g. land that is too poor, or too costly to drain for agriculture, can be profitably devoted to fish farming if it is suitably prepared. That's all that we have for you today. See you on the next video as we look deeper into fish farming. That's all that we have for you today. For more future videos, kindly click the subscribe button. You can also click the links on the description below to visit our website and to watch other farming videos. Thank you for watching.